Hey everyone, this will be a very quick unboxing here of the Samsung Watch 5 Pro here in 2024. So I know this thing is a couple years old now. Best Buy has them on sale. This is the LTE version here. You see right there, 45 millimeter LTE. Only 250 bucks. That's crazy. I know they're on sale like Amazon as well for that price. Amazon's basically sold out on them. Last one at Best Buy by me. So yeah, it's a very shiny box. We'll get to the watch first here. We'll come back to what is in this box. So this is, as you can see, the black one, the black titanium. And there we go, Sapphire Crystal LTE GPS. Only 250 bucks. It is crazy. I mean, this is cheaper than what people want for used ones online by me right now. First, you get the regular black band, which is a funky, weird band. Now, let's see what's in here. It's always weird to me how they have these boxes and then they have like one side and then the other side, like things on both sides instead of just having one opening. But of course, that is going to be our charging puck here, a wireless charger, and then your paperwork there as well. So yeah, again, this thing is sapphire and titanium, and it's awesome. $250 for the LTE version is really, really cool. So yeah, like I said, very quick unboxing. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.